Hey, Scott Lara, 𝐤𝐚𝐜𝐴 on Twitter, Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram, 𝐂𝐭𝐠𝐲𝐤.com. It's the first week of June 2022, and I'm at TRS Coral. There's something I wanted to show you that I did not know, and I wanted to let you know, because that's what I do. I try to let people know things that they may not know. So here's the lobby at TRS right here. And you know, when you walk in, you just come like this. And you know, there's some folks in the lobby here. A lot of folks are checking out. But you know, you got the check-in desk over there. And then of course you walk down that way to the TRS pool. A 𝐈𝐧𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐦 on the left, 𝐪𝐵𝐵𝐵 on the right. But this is what I wanted to show you. If you come into the lobby and you come over to the left. Now, if you're a fan of mine or if you've seen my stuff, you know I love chocolate. So right over here to the left, you see this sign up here, a room. So you come over to the left and here's a bar. Back in the day, they would have a little area right here where there'd be a singer or maybe somebody playing something, an instrument. So you got this bar over here to the left, okay? You all know this place, right? But look at this. Now the tongs are up here on the top shelf, right here, right? So, as I almost slipped. So anyway, look at all these little treats you can get throughout the day. And I will tell you, they are addictive. If you grab one, you're gonna want like 6 more. But I think a lot of people have no clue about this. And so if you, during the day or whatever, you're, hey, let's go over to the TRS lobby and grab something. This sculpture is an artwork created out of chocolate, not for consumption, so don't eat that, okay? So hey, you got some donuts up here. Some things, oops, messed that up. Got some cookies here. Got these pastries here. So if you don't want to go over to 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵 and get something or go to Helios or whatever, there's some right here. So I did mention about 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵, and 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵 is this way. And of course, you know, you can have something to eat at Helios if you want, but 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵 is very nice. Oh, I do want to show you the restrooms too. I mean, because that's a big question people ask all the time, where are the restrooms? So if you come in the lobby and you hang a right, you'll see the restrooms over here. You know, I mean, if you've, you know, had that 45-minute ride from the airport to TRS Coral, you're gonna wanna know where the restrooms are, right? So here on the left is the travel agent desk. Morning, my friend, good to see you. The excursion desk is what I was trying to say. You just come over here and you hang a right. I'm gonna get a shot of this artwork here. Let that gentleman walk by. Again, I always try to respect people's privacy the best I can when I'm here. So you'll see this wall here. And then here to the left are the restrooms. You got a handicap restroom right there, men's room over there, and you pivot over here to the left. That's the ladies' room. And then if you're looking for the ATMs, now I will tell you there is a fee for, I remember a friend of mine was saying a couple weeks ago, hey, I need to get some money. And I think he was at TRS Yucatan. So there's some ATMs there if you did not bring enough money for tips. Of course, let's wheel down here to 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵. And that's 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵 there, where it's a big area, lots of seating. They got a huge buffet area, and you get food there. From TRS Coral. Then of course 𝐈𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵 over there, tetrazzini. And of course the river Styx is over there. From TRS Coral, Scott Lara, Scott Lara 1961 on Twitter, Scott Lara 1961 on Instagram, 𝐂𝐭𝐠𝐲𝐤.com. Thank you.